iPhone cameras are so good that even a trained eye can hardly spot the difference between a picture taken with an iPhone and photo captured with a professional camera. Third-party apps will help you to take photos a step closer to perfection. Choosing the right camera app, however, is much a more difficult task than it appears because there are so many different apps to choose from. Regardless of the level of photography skill, the App Store has something to offer to everyone. These are currently my favorite iPhone photography apps. So let's get started with the first one. Halide is a raw manual camera app that turns your iPhone X into a near perfect due for a DSLR camera. It has a function and easy to use UI that allows you to have full control over the setting of each photo you take. The camera allows you to produce RAW, TIFF or HEIC file formats in addition to standard JPEG format. It comes with the feature like focus peaking and a powerful manual focus, full manual controls including exposure, ISO and white balance, a live histogram for the perfect exposure shots, quick review of each of your shots, intelligent, automatic and manual mode, and a beautiful easy to use gesture based interface with portrait effect are now available in the Halide app, with Halide incorporating a mix of smart facial detection and point of intersect detection to create portrait mode photo with background blur effects. Next camera app is Hydra, and Hydra is an innovative third-party app that allow you to have full control over the exposure and lighting depending on whether your lighting conditions are less than desirable. Make it as ideal partner and tool to pair with your iPhone X. Hydra app performs the best in low light condition because it is equipped with an HDR mode that takes up to 20 images and merge them into a single shot. Each picture taken with the iPhone camera has perfectly balanced highlight, shadows, and midtones. The app's high-resolution mode allows you to produce images that have as much as 32 megapixels. Hydra also features a gallery that provides quick access to all the images you have created with this app. Next app is ProCam 5. Whether you want to shoot videos or to take photos, this camera app will supply you with all the options needed to create high-quality images. ProCam 5 or 4 lets you shoot 4K or HD videos, capture time-lapse footage or save your photo in RAW format. ProCam gives you a plethora of shooting modes: photos night mode, burst mode, slow shutter portrait mode or 3D video, and a time lapse. The $5 app even gives you different photo shutter release option like a self timer, anti-shake, screen shutter and interval shots, as well as giving you the option to shoot raw photos, support of TIFF files. You can adjust the aspect ratio and so much more. So next app is Slow Shutter Cam. iPhone photographers who like to explore the artistic side of photography should make this app an irreplaceable part of their setup. The light trail mode is designed to let you create light painting, while the low light mode allows you to take pictures even in the darkest hour of the night. Despite being a powerful camera app that lets you control ISO, focus or exposure manually, Slow Shutter Cam doesn't offer any photo editing feature, which somewhat limits its potential. Last but not the least camera app is Camera Plus. If the iPhone's standard camera is like a digital point and shoot, the Camera Plus app is like a DSLR. One common app that pops up over and over again when you asking people about their favorite and third-party option is Camera Plus, a $3 camera app that improves almost every aspect of the built-in camera of your iPhone X has. Camera Plus allow you to full control over the things like exposure and focus access to features like stabilizer and timers for different shooting modes. You can digitally zoom up to 6 times with advanced processing to provide you with DSLR level crispiness and quality. It has front flash camera option and much more. Photography is about seeing and capture the world around you, but in order to do so, you must have right tools. iPhone have powerful camera, but each of the app I mentioned in this video will give you even more freedom to create images you want in exact way you want. Let me know which camera app for the iPhone you like to use the most in the comments. And thank you guys for watching, and like, share and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram page, and I will catch you in the next one.